I can't find my phone anywhere.
Did you check your bag again?
Yes, I checked it, but it's not there.
Maybe you left it on the table?
I looked there too, but I didn't see it.
Did anyone call you earlier today?
Not that I know. Can you try calling my phone now?
Sure, I'm calling it. It's ringing.
I hear it. Where is the sound coming from?
Wait, is it coming from the fridge?
What? The fridge? Seriously?
Yes, I hear it buzzing inside.
Oh no! I must have put my phone in there with the milk.
Well, that explains everything.
I must be really tired today.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone sometimes.
Is my phone still okay?
Yes, luckily, it still works perfectly fine.
I should never put it in the fridge again.
Good idea. Let's try to be more careful next time.
Thanks for helping me find it.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
I feel so relieved now.
Me too. Problem solved.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, coffee sounds pretty perfect right now.